start and stop. And
Yes, sir. Would you explain what we're doing today?
I'm too busy.
Okay. You must be
Ask Carl what we're doing today. Let's bring it in a little. Okay, people aboard. Wait for it.
If you got anybody that's purpose like me, use them. No, I'm only 150 pounds, but you know.
Everything helps. 4.2 knots on the GPS.
I get the wind picked up.
And so I think that's why that guy was coming up the wind.
Otto just got a burst of speed over there on his Force 5.
Yeah. Similar to lasers, isn't it?
Well, soon we'll be going around that mark.
Yeah.
Tightening up.
Remember the halyard, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What is your name?
Nigel.
And what are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm Main Street trimmer.
Okay. Are we winning the race or losing the race?
Let's take it in.
Okay. Trying our best not to lose it. Can't guarantee it.
More. Bring in more.
Yeah.
Well,
look.
yeah, let's bring it in.
Yeah. I think it's okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you having fun today?
Oh. a bundle.
There's been a lot of sail trimming today.
Yeah. Oh, no,
Are you having fun today?
Oh man, we're having such great times. Except for the near beer, right?
You fooled me.